Paano naman idol pag ako palagi last chat sa kanya? Parang hindi interesado mag-reply. Pero pumapayag naman pag niyayaya ako kumain sa labas. Nakakalito idol. So based on your question bro, I feel like you're texting too much. Like I always say here no, na phones are only used for setting dates, not to get to know someone. Isang reason din ang nakikita ko dito no, Sigarilyo, na kung bakit ikaw lagi yung last chat, I think it's because the girl doesn't want to chat with you all day long. She actually wants you to ask her out on a date. Kaya 'di ba sabi mo pumapayag naman siya if ever you ask her out on a date. Yun na yun. Ayaw niya ng mga long chat conversations. Now follow these steps no if you want to get to know her better. And this will actually improve your chances with her. Step number 1 would be reach out to her. Halimbawa, i-chat mo siya no, pero magchat-chat lang kayo ng sandali lang. And then ask her out on a date na. Ask her when she's free to get together. Ngayon, if she says na, yeah, I'm free on Friday, sabihin mo na lang na, alright, great, I'll meet you on Friday then at 7 p.m. Meet tayo, kunyari, sa SM, ganun. And then step number 2 is to get off the freaking phone. After mo makapag-set ng definite date sa kanya, cut the conversation off na. Sabihin mo sa kanya na I gotta go na muna kasi may work pa ako o kaya may lakad pa ako mamaya or something to that effect. Kasi chatting her too much will guarantee na bababa talaga yung attraction level niya sa'yo. Step number 3, show up for your date. And then that's it. Huwag niyo kasing i-base lagi yung attraction level ng babae sa inyo through chat lang. Porque hindi siya sweet mag-chat sa'yo ibig sabihin walang gusto sa'yo. Porque mahaba ang kanyang chat sa'yo ibig sabihin na may gusto rin siya sa'yo. Stop that, please. The proven way for you to actually know kung may gusto ba talaga yung babae sa'yo o wala is get to know her on a personal level. And also additional tip lang no mga sigarilyo, kung mag-i-invite kayo ng date sa isang babae, make sure na it's a romantic date. Hindi yung pa-coffee-coffee lang kayo, lunch date lang kayo, o kaya manonood lang kayo ng movie. Those are friendly dates lang kasi. If you want to have a romantic date with a girl, always ask them and invite them on a romantic evening date. Dates that will get you closer and closer together physically and then end up inside of her. No joke yan mga sigarilyo. Meaning nun, syempre, at the end of the night, kakaroon kayo ng indoor Olympics, ganun. Because like I always say here, the purpose of a date is creating a fun-filled romantic evening for sex to happen. Anyway, I hope nakatulong ako sa iyo and follow for more. Subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.